In this review, we will dive deep into HubSpot features, pricing pro and cons to help you make an informed decision. So to get started with the HubSpot, what is HubSpot? HubSpot is like a swift hammer knife for businesses. It's a central hub to manage everything from attracting leads to closing deals and keeping customers happy. The HubSpot CRM is the heart of it all. It's a free tool that helps you organize and track your interaction with customers. Sales and marketing teams love HubSpot because it helps them work together better. If you are curious, check out HubSpot CRM's review online. So to get started with the important features, top benefit about this platform, which has this all-in-one platform that helps you bring marketing, sales, customer service, and operation under one roof, eliminating the need for multiple tools and streamlining your workflow. It also comes with this powerful free CRM, which help you to provide an essential tools for manage contact, track deals, and nurture leads without breaking the bank or like Zoro CRMs or other CRM tools. It also have a robust marketing automation, which helps it make the work so more effective with a sales pipelines and other important features like that. And talking about the best features of this platform, they offer the marketing tools with a content tools as well, and also they offer an e-commerce features and an automation. So talking about the pricing plan, they offer different wide range of plan. They have the marketing hub, they have the starter customers platform with a marketing hub professionals and also marketing hub enterprises. So if you want more information about this pricing plan, kindly go over to the website to get more information. And talking about the pros and cons, so understanding the strength and weakness of tools is crucial before making an investment. So let's dive into the pros and cons of HubSpot to provide you with a balanced perspective. So talking about the pros, they have this all-in-one solution on their on one of their features, which makes it stand out with a user-friendly interface with a powerful free CRM and a robust marketing automation with extensive integration. They also have this. They also talking about the downside, which is the costly for small businesses and the steep learning curve with a limited customization. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. So let's see if it gives it takes. Thank you.